Don't let diabetes take control of you. Controlling blood sugar is the first thing to do. Exercise, eat healthy, check your sugar each day. Controlling diabetes keeps the problems away.
So what do you think diabetes is?
I don't know. A genetic disease that affects blood in the body. Or sugar in the blood in the body.
Do you know what diabetes is?
Yes.
What is it?
It is a ailment where either a person has too much blood sugar or their body doesn't make enough blood sugar. But either way, there's a problem with the blood sugar in their system.
Do you know what diabetes is?
It's a disease.
Do you know what diabetes is?
Yes.
Can you explain?
I don't know much about it, but I do know that there are two types. A type that you're born with and a type you can develop as an adult. I know it has something to do with blood pressure and blood sugar and insulin. That's all I know.
These clips give insight on how misinformed our high schoolers are when it comes to diabetes. There are two types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is something that you're born with, and it causes you to be insulin deficient.
Type 2 diabetes is developed later on in life, and when your body becomes immune to insulin.
Another type of diabetes is gestational diabetes, and this affects pregnant women like so. It has the same symptoms as regular diabetes, but it may go away after the pregnancy is over.
What is insulin? It is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates the amount of glucose in the blood.
When it comes to treating type 1 diabetes, insulin injections, a healthy diet, and exercise help. The difference between treating type 1 and type 2 diabetes is that when it comes to treating type 1 diabetes, it includes insulin injections, a healthy diet, and exercise, whereas type 2 diabetes, you need weight reduction instead of insulin injections. You can monitor your blood glucose levels by checking your hemoglobin A1C.
When these measures fail to control elevated blood sugar levels, medications are used.
Diabetes is very bad. You can get it genetically. You can get it from mom or dad. It's all heredity. There are two types, type 1, type 2. They are different in many ways. Type 1 is treated with insulin. Type 2 is all on you. Diabetes is a disorder. It affects your blood sugar. Oh, we all hate you and all the things you do.
Diabetes affects these three systems: the cardiovascular, nervous, and the immune system.
Diabetes weakens the immune system, but not in all cases.
If blood glucose levels stay high for an extended amount of time, this can cause damage to the blood vessels.
Increased pain, numbness, and difficulty with controlling organs such as the bowel and the bladder are ways that diabetes can affect the nervous system.
Gotta go to the bathroom. No. No!
Mika, is that you?
Hi, Selena!
You're in my face.
So what is it like having diabetes?
Well, I don't have good sleep. I always pee every hour, especially at night. I have to take medications religiously. I'm taking glyburide actually and metformin, and I even have this for kidney infections. Pills for kidney infections to prevent you from having kidney infections, and for having you to have a bad cholesterol. And then I have to work out at least 30 minutes exercise to help reduce my blood sugar. I have to monitor my food. I should be eating only about 60 grams of carbohydrates per meal. And sometimes there are side effects from the pills that I'm taking. My throat dry, so I have to drink water every time I get up from bed. All right, that's
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah.
One way to prevent diabetes is to increase your sleeping hours.
Lullaby and good night. In the sky, the stars are bright.
Decreasing stress in your life can help prevent diabetes.
Another way to prevent diabetes is to stay active.
Everybody get up.
Affects pregnant women, like so. Type of diabetes is gestational diabetes. It develops for pregnant diabetes.
Do you know what diabetes is?
Yes.
Wait. Diabetes affects three systems: the cardiovascular, the nervous, and the immune system. The cardiovascular system.
Can you do it? Can you do it? Staying active. Oh! He's scared. Okay. Now jump down. Oh,
What? I want you, baby. I'm just playing.
Oh my!
Ready?
Okay, go.
It is a hormone produced in the pancreas that regulates.
Wait. Okay, go.
It is a hormone produced by the
Nucleus. 1, 2, 3, go.
It is a hormone produced by the pancreas that regulates.
What did you say, go? When it comes to treating type 1 diabetes, taking insulin injections, living healthy, and eating Okay, go.
The difference between Ready?
Go.
The difference between treating diabetes.
You have a potty mouth.